gonna be coming to no motherfucking track. Seeing some bitch ass shit. Cut that bullshit out.
Man, go and preach it.
I want y'all to cut that bullshit out. This funky town. Cut that bullshit out. Cause it ain't cool for the fans. We spending our money to big shit. See big shit, that shit is fucked up.
Hey man, is this gonna be on California News tomorrow?
Yeah.
That bullshit out, man. Funky town special. Funky town special, man. Fuck all that big shit. Like they did at the gun. Motherfucker let the man hit. Brent, y'all full of goddamn shit. You and Allen. Y'all full of goddamn shit, man. Allen let Brent hit.
Yeah.
Oh, that's my best friend. I've been beating him all the time. I let him take off. Cut that bullshit out. Don't race. If y'all not gonna go all out, don't fucking race no more.
Yeah.
That's for the fans. Y'all bullshit. Cut that bullshit out.
Yeah, they need to cut that bullshit out. All that fixing races, trying to not let a person know who gonna win.
All that kind of shit.
Yeah, Funky Town already know who gonna win and what car faster. He able to gauge how fast a car is.
I already done told you. He came downstairs and go with Galen. That's what he said.
He said that was. I thought Clyde was gonna go on all out. Clyde spent the tire. He know he don't have to spend the tire to try to break no record. He can turn it up down there. Don't do that, man. Y'all cut that shit out. Cause it ain't good for the fans seeing this bullshit.
Yeah. I got all these people on here. They worried about it. We don't need no race setting up, cause we trying to see the real deal race, y'all. We got the real deal races coming up. You know what I'm saying? Funky Town. He able to see all that fakeness. If y'all up there getting off the gas.
I'm calling it.
Yeah.
When I see it,
hey y'all,
I'm calling that bullshit.
He ain't scared to tell it. He don't care if you his friend. You can be his
friend or whatever.
Whatever, y'all went to school together. If he see you fixing races, he gonna tell it on your ass.
The baddest bitch in the world.
Yeah, this the baddest.
I'm way better than Tyrone. No, you ain't. You way better than Hey, see this motherfucker?
Yeah.
Hey, he be betting on fix shit. He'll go back there. Hey, come here, motherfucker. He'll go back there and talk to him. They'll say, half of my carburetor gone. Then he'll come back up here and bet. He can't bet straight up. You got to do your homework, right? You got to do your homework. He good with that big shit. That's no real shit. Hell no. That's no real shit. You better ask him for odds. Hey, look.
I'm looking.
Jose, how many times you done try to I'm trying to give you all. Hell. On my mom. When it's a bicycle in another lane, yeah. I ain't got nothing to do with that. Yeah, I can't give you no food. I'm trying to give you all, right?
Get on my YouTube channel. Hey, look out, if y'all want to see it in HD, check out my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. Widescreen.
Be honest with us. Jose, you can't fuck with me. Have you ever changed your back? Call to me. Call to me. Everybody done changed their back. Call to me though. Come on, man. Hey, he real. You might know some shit. Hey, Jose, how many times you done changed your back? You can't count, can you?
Yeah. Funky Town say.
Following me.
Funky Town say people ask him where the bet at, and then they change their bet. Yeah. He'll change his bet up. He get all his other bets off.
Hey, no bet.
Yeah.
Bro, they trying to run over motherfuckers to change that shit.
Yeah.
I'm the baddest bitch in the world. Straight up. That fake shit, he gotta go talk to him. Hey man, what you gonna do? Oh fuck, I'm just gonna get up there. My transmission hurts. How's the next lane red light? That's what he good at. He can't fuck with me. Shit.
Yeah.
I'm the baddest bitch in the world.
So you predicted Galen to win then?
Hey, what I say? That man been spin.
Where you bet at?
I bet right here.
Okay.
Ask me how much I bet, but what I tell you?
Yeah.
That's his average bet anyway.
What's wrong?
Yeah, no, Funky Town been betting hundreds. Yeah, he done turned it up.
Look,
He done turned it
I
up.
would bet 3,000 on my mama.
Yeah.
If I think it's legit. This man ain't shit. That man ain't shit.
I told that dude.
Hey,
I told that
I ain't
dude
seen
about
this motherfucker lose yet.
Yeah.
I say it ain't fair.
Say,
Yeah.
Hey, look out. Every time when I call something,
Yeah.
you be right there. Do you back me up? You'll say, damn, he did get off something.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
I'm just saying, I'm the baddest motherfucker in the world.
Now,
Look out, hey. Cause they be following me.
they just be knowing. They be knowing Funky Town gon'
I
bet.
know he been in that game and win. What I tell you, man?